Hello everyone. On today's video we are going to talk about 5 WooCommerce plugins all optical stores need. Ever heard of WordPress before? Then you may have heard of WooCommerce too. WooCommerce is a customizable, open-source e-commerce platform, which is being used by 30% of all online stores. The platform is world-known for its flexible content management system that makes online shopping and selling hassle-free. On top of that, WooCommerce offers feature-rich and scalable plugins for different purposes and activities. With that being said, we are here to unveil the 5 best WooCommerce plugins that are must-haves for any online optical shop. If you want to optimize your eyewear store with advanced features, here's what you need. 1. Blue Dart Shipping Integration Plugin. As you know, Blue Dart is preferred as the shipping partner by most online stores. With the Blue Dart Shipment Integration plugin, WooCommerce store owners can integrate the Blue Dart shipping and display the availability of the cash-on-delivery option for a particular location. In addition to that, this plugin also displays the total price of the order. Top features of the Blue Dart Shipment Integration plugin include: check cash on delivery with the zip code, single and multiple AWB shipment generation, shipping label generation, filter-based manifest generation, multiple shipping label printing, manifest printing and saving options. 2. WooCommerce Eyeglasses Lenses Prescription Plugin. To build your optical store without any hassle, choose to install the WooCommerce Eyeglasses Prescription Plugin. Because it features popular prescriptions, select lenses, and add-on options. This plugin is a complete solution for online stores that want to display pre-configured options for fields of lens-type products. Top features of the WooCommerce Eyeglasses Prescription plugin include: show lenses to help shoppers add prescriptions for eyeglass lenses. Display the price of lenses and frames chosen on the product details page. Add options like distance, reading, and multifocal to specify the usage of the lens. Upload the prescription in the form of an image or document. Show prescription products and add their attributes. Choose index lenses as per the vision needs. 3. WooCommerce Virtual Eyeglasses Try-On Plugin. The Virtual Eyeglasses Try-On plugin is a great way to display a customized virtual try-on mirror. The plugin is compatible with the latest versions of WooCommerce and helps store owners sell their eyewear products in a realistic manner. It allows shoppers to try and compare eyeglasses on your website before purchasing the chosen eyeglasses. By uploading their own image or snapshot with the help of a webcam, customers can visualize how they look wearing the eyeglass. On top of that, the plugin also has automatic face and pupil recognition, which takes care of the eyeglass placement and reduces the chances of product returns. Top features of the Virtual Eyeglasses Try-On plugin include: real-time eyeglasses try-on, accurate fitting of eyeglasses, face and pupil recognition, hyper-realistic frames of different shapes and colors, options to upload customers' pictures or webcam snapshots. 4. WooCommerce PD Measurement Plugin. If you want to allow your online customers to add their PD measurement to their orders when buying eyewear products, then choose the WooCommerce Pupillary Distance Measurement plugin. This plugin requires customers to enter their PD measurement on the product page, and in any case, if they don't have it, you can let them click a link to measure it, and then the plugin will ask them to position themselves on the camera screen with a credit card held up to their chin. Simple, isn't it? Top features of the WooCommerce Pupillary Distance Measurement plugin: fast and accurate measurement, PD and SH measurement, controlled protocol, immediate results, easy integration. 5. WooCommerce Contact Lenses Prescription Plugin. Our last pick for the video is the WordPress Contact Lens Prescription Plugin, which is a big boon for online stores that want to sell contact lenses. The plugin helps shoppers to specify all the details of the lens for the right and left eye. It gives store admins all the information specified by the shopper on the front end. The contact lenses prescription extension includes the cylinder, axis, base curve, and diameter of both eyes. These features make it easier to sell online contact lenses by displaying pre-configured options for fields of lens-type products. Top features of the contact lenses prescription extension include: show pre-configured options related to the fields of lenses, automatic creation of fields like the curve, power, diameter, and more. Streamline preview of the prescription details on the cart page. Shop lens for single as well as both eyes. Compatibility with tier pricing. There you have them. 5 must-have WooCommerce plugins for your eyewear store. Hopefully, these plugins will add more value to your e-commerce store and help you boost your sale. Thanks for watching the video, and if you need help regarding any of these plugins, feel free to contact us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.